You searched how to buy shares of Skue Sparebank. Skue Sparebank is a Norwegian savings bank listed on Euronext under the ticker SKUE.OL. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy SKUE.OL, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and you must add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar to find the company by name or ticker. Type SKUE.OL and select the matching Skue Sparebank listing on Euronext. On the asset page, check the company description and sector and review the price chart. Confirm the page shows the Euronext listing and the ticker SKUE.OL to make sure it is the correct stock. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to allocate. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your Skue Sparebank position will appear in your portfolio. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.